Brad, come up here, please.
What?
I know you think you're the class clown, but I've had it with you.
Can't. What? Help. What? Help it.
Your classmates are trying to study.
What?
And your clowning makes it impossible.
I'm sorry.
What do you think a school's for, Brad?
I'm sorry I keep disrupting the
Not
class.
answering my question. What's a school for? To educate, isn't it? Come on up here, Brad. You like making noises and upsetting people, Brad?
No, sir.
Then why do you do it?
Because I have Tourette's syndrome.
But you could control it if you wanted to, right?
No, sir. It's a sickness. There isn't any cure.
What can we do to help you, Brad?
I just want to be treated like everybody else.